Hook, have you ever wondered if you could turn your love for language and technology into a real-world income? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini and exploring how you can leverage its capabilities to make some serious cash. Context: Gemini is a powerful language model that can generate human-quality text in response to a wide range of prompts and questions. It's like having a personal assistant, writer, and translator all rolled into one. But how can you turn this incredible tool into a profitable venture? Let's find out. Method 1. Content creation and monetization. Blogging and article writing. Gemini can help you produce high-quality content at scale. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, Gemini can assist with everything from brainstorming ideas to writing entire articles. Once your content is ready, you can monetize it through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Social media management. If you're skilled at social media marketing, Gemini can help you create engaging content for your clients. You can use Gemini to generate captions, write posts, and even come up with creative campaign ideas. Copywriting. Gemini is a powerful tool for copywriters. It can help you brainstorm ideas, write persuasive ad copy, and create compelling product descriptions. Method 2. Language services. Translation and localization. Gemini can translate text from one language to another with impressive accuracy. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation and localization services to businesses and individuals. Proofreading and editing. Gemini can help you identify errors and inconsistencies in your writing. If you have a keen eye for detail, you can offer proofreading and editing services to clients. Method 3. AI development and training. Fine-tuning Gemini. You can customize Gemini to perform specific tasks by fine-tuning it on your own datasets. Once you've trained Gemini, you can sell your specialized model to businesses or individuals. AI development consulting. As an expert in Gemini and AI, you can offer consulting services to businesses looking to leverage AI technology. Method 4. Education and training. Online courses and tutorials. If you're passionate about teaching others how to use Gemini, you can create online courses and tutorials. You can sell your courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Workshops and seminars. You can also offer in-person workshops and seminars to teach people about Gemini and its applications. Tips for success. Continuous learning. Stay up to date with the latest developments in AI and Gemini to ensure you're offering the best possible services. Build a strong online presence. Create a website or blog to showcase your skills and attract clients. Network with other professionals. Connect with other AI experts and entrepreneurs to learn from their experiences and build relationships. Offer high-quality service. Deliver exceptional results to your clients and build a reputation for excellence. Conclusion. As you can see, there are countless ways to earn with Gemini. The key is to identify your skills and interests and find a niche where you can leverage Gemini's capabilities to create value for others. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your passion for AI into a profitable business. Call to action. Are you ready to start earning with Gemini? If so, leave a comment below and let me know what your plans are. I'd love to hear from you and offer any additional advice or support. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of Gemini and AI.